R, 8-bit for G, 8-bit for blue. But actually, when you actually display, you cannot do that because we are limited to 332. Okay? So whatever you extract, you need to convert that from 24 bits into 8 bits only. And then you do this for every single pixel. Okay, so we're not going to create an array to hold the 24 bits and an array to hold 8 bits. You just create temporary variables to do the conversion and then save the 8 bits. And then we draw this on the screen to see if we get anything we need. Okay. So now we're going to go over the code to do that. Okay. So are we clear about the operation? This one need to do. Okay. All right. So we know converting from R 8 bits to 3 bits, you divide by 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, and then you get the value you need. Okay. All right. So let's look at the code. Activity. This is a code from ULAR. You test the SD card, okay? And he reads one byte at a time. You just keep doing it until you finish the entire file, okay? So now you look at the comments. This is the section. It says, if this is equal to this message, then it is end of file. And then you cannot read anymore. Because there's nothing to read. So this is the reading part. And this is the checking part. And this is the printing part. Okay? When you try to read in the files, you're going to read a lot of bytes. There's no need to print out every single byte. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we turn on this message. Okay? So we don't need to see the value. Right? But we still like to see this is the end of the reading. Okay, we keep that. So how many bytes do we need? We assume number of byte reading, say 10,000. Did I say 10,000? So 10,000. Okay? 10,000 means I'm going to read in whatever I can read. If 10,000 is not enough to cover your file, if you look at the file size you create windows, maybe it is 100,000, then you need to increase this number. You know, make sure that this number is always huge. Okay? So if this is the number of bytes we want to read in, you need to make sure that you have a buffer to hold it. If you don't have a buffer to hold it, then it's meaningless. Understand? Okay. So to do that, let's create a buffer. It is unsigned char. Let's call it BB. Big buffer. Okay. And it is going to be number of bytes. Okay. And then you want to initialize it first. So make sure that you don't get any garbages in there. So how do you initialize a big buffer? Just type in 0 to 0. Right? No, you cannot do that. This is wrong. You cannot say equal to 0. This is array. How do you initialize the array to 0?
Equals curly brackets to 0.
Yeah, but there are 10,000 of them. If you queue the curly bracket,
Just curly brackets.
Right now?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't work. How do you initialize the array? All zeros.
For loop?
You use a for loop to do that. Okay? There's no syntax saying, hey, give me all zeros. No, it does not. You use a for loop. Okay? So we make sure that we initialize this. Now, if you don't initialize, fine. Then you live with the garbages. Whenever garbage you have, you make a mistake, you see, well, how come every time I run my program, I get something random? It's because these are generated by the garbages in the system. And then because the system turn on every time is different, these garbages will be different. And then it's impossible to debug. I'm just telling you. because there's some randomness going on. Okay, so let's initialize these array int ii. Less than number of reading bytes and ii plus plus.
Like, you got the L before.
I realize I'm getting an error from here. BB ii is going to equal to 0. Good. So that's initialized. Done. That's good. Every time you read in a file for the images, you have a header, you get the pixel data. The header is useless. We don't need that because we're not going to do anything with it. So what you need to do is you need to create an array just to hold the header. Okay. Let's call it HH. And it is fixed. The size of the header is fixed. What is the size of the header? 54 or 56? 54?
54.
54? No problem, you can check your notes. It is 54. And that one, you don't initialize, no big deal. We're not going to use it. Okay? All right. So we get two buffers. We need to deal with H first. Look at this section. This is to read number of bytes reading. Okay? It includes the header. Understand? It includes the header. But right now, see, we want to separate the operation. So instead of using the big buffer, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So let's say copy. Temp index equal to 0. Index is less than 54. Okay, index plus plus. And then you're reading a byte from the SD card from that file. You do it 54 times. Okay, every time you're reading a file, you are going to assign its value to this buffer. So this is SHO, which is stand for short, but your buffer is a char. So how you convert from a short to a char? Wake up! By the way, I just had a Hungry Man, like half of it. Wake up, or stand up. How do you convert from a short to a char?